Alright, hey guys, welcome to KG's Garage again. Thanks for joining. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to start ripping out this old generator out of this 76 GMC Motorhome, and I'm going to try to get in a newer model, just a regular portable one. I'm going to retrofit that and put it in there. So I'm going to tear it out and somehow mock up this new one to go right in there. Well, let's go start doing it. Okay, so here is the original onan generator. We're at an average of about 83 decibels. This is it running. Pulled out a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it in, and the sound is about the same. The decibels, the reading. So we're still at like 83. And then I'm going to move over to the portable generator. It's sitting outside, and the readings on that, you can see here's the readings right here. We're at like 84, so it's 1 decibel more. I think once this thing's inside, with sound deadening around, it'll be a little bit quieter. Anyway, here we go. Thanks. This is where the generator is. This handy bungee cord here came with the RV. Take this. There, right there. Look at this. I didn't realize what it was for, but I put it up on the drip rail, and I just hang it there, and it holds the door open. I have struts that I'm going to put in there. That'll be a different video. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this generator out and start putting a new one in. Here. It's here. Oh no, is that it? Kind of looks like it's only hooked here and over there. And there's obviously wires I got to go. I need to take to disconnect the batteries. Get a jack. Alright, got the muffler off, got the positive wire off. I had this quick disconnect switch, and I made sure that that's dead right now. If I flip it, it's hot, so gotta make sure I don't turn it. I'm trying to get the negative cable off, and it's kind of rusted on there. So I'm hoping it doesn't break. So let's go on. Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens. I had the airbags jacked up all the way on the side, but I want to get some room underneath. So, this bracket, these 2 bolts, might be bolts inside here. It has 2 bolts here. take these bolts off and see what happens. Okay. Let's see. Get out. Okay. These wires are still stuck. So, let's take this off. We'll get a real screwdriver and see if we can push it or grom it through. Ah, here we go. Oh my God. Look at that. That's what you do, you squeeze it. Pops right through. Okay. All that prying with the screwdriver. Just squeeze it. Okay, so now let's see. This is all independent. I just roll this right out of the way. Lower it down. There you go. Here's the old one. Old original 1976. And then the new one. You gotta take a whole bunch of parts off this one to make it fit. But it should be smaller than this one. And it'll fit in this spot here. Alright, let's rip this one down. so I got the old generator out. This is what's left. I'm gonna clean. I gotta clean all this up, all this dust and everything. I'm gonna this is for the taillights. These wires right here. I'm gonna wrap that. These are for, I believe, I'm gonna have to double check, for the 110. It goes this way, goes here, and I believe it goes up to the little outlet right there to give the power. There's the fuel line and positive, negative lines. Negative, positive. And I think that's really all the wires all have to hook up. What I'm going to try to do is just take this new one, take the new one here and set it on here somehow. What I would like to do is put it on the old brackets. See if I can take these off. This looks like, so you got this bracket. See, this one on the slide, right here, and then over here, one on the slide, and then over here on the bottom, slide and slide. So if I take these off, I just have to figure out, looks like it mounts to the engine and generator. Looks like there's a mounting right here, and then probably onto here somewhere. If I can take this outside frame, this is my plan, outside frame, and put it on there, and what I want to do is put it on there and then be able to slide this in and out. And I can have it, this is how it's going to go in, this way, straight in that hole. And then have the panel here. I don't know, I'm probably going to get rid of all these plugs. I don't need those plugs. Maybe keep the rest of this. I don't really need a USB sitting on the outside. So I don't know. I mean, some of it. I'm going to leave the gas and propane switch. And future, I'm going to run a propane line over from the propane tank over to here, so I can do dual fuel with this. And I'll probably leave all this stuff here. Engine start button and this. It has remote start, so I can start remotely. I might even, maybe I'll take this engine start stop and put it inside, and then just have this switch and just have this on all the time. But I don't know. There's a lot of wires inside here. A lot of wires that are in here. So I have to start taking them apart carefully and label them, and so I know what goes where. And then the other thing with the exhaust, my idea is, take the shield off. Here's the muffler. Get a pipe, put it here, pipe this way, have it come down, have it come out. So the muffler will be over right around, the pipe will be right around here, come this way, come down, go out that way, come this way, whatever, and then put a muffler somewhere. Or maybe straight out the back. That's my ideas. We'll actually see what happens when I start digging into it. I mean, the other thing I've seen people do is just take this whole box out and just put a platform there and then just stick the sucker on there. If I stick it on there, I won't be able to pull it out in and out. I want to be able to have, I want access to this, so this is the way I want it in. So you have the air cleaner here. So